A lot of people are interested in health and fitness these days, and to that end, they spend a lot of time in the gym or out running in a bid to try and build more muscle and increase their physical fitness. But while this is an admirable aim, it may be an example of us having the wrong priorities. Why? Because these days we don't use our bodies half as much as we use our brains. Our brains are what we use for the majority of careers these days. They're what we use to manage our relationships, and they're what we use to handle money, to navigate, learn, and more. So if you're going to spend time training your body, it only stands to reason that you should spend at least the same amount of time training your brain. So why aren't more people already training their brains? Largely, this comes down to the fact that many people don't realize quite the extent to which their brains can be trained, or quite the extent to which their brain function can be improved through simply following the best health practices, through the right nutrition, lifestyle, and more. And more to the point, most people are completely unaware of just how unhealthy their current routine is for their brain. They have no idea that the things they're doing every single day are actually damaging their brains. And not only does this prevent those people from performing optimally every day, but it could also lead to a higher chance of dementia or Alzheimer's. Just think what you could accomplish if instead of degrading and abusing your brain, you instead focused on nourishing it, training it, and helping it to grow. You might just become limitless. As mentioned, most people have at some time shown a basic interest in improving their physical fitness and strength. For this reason, most people have at least a basic idea of what fitness training entails and how to look after their body's health. But seeing as brain health is a far less understood topic, this is an area that many people actually lack even basic knowledge of. This video series will serve as the basic primer and introduction to your brain, as well as an advanced guide to how you can develop it and nurture it. We'll cover everything from the basics of how the brain functions and good nutrition, all the way to much more advanced topics such as smart drugs and embodied cognition. You'll learn how your brain works, the nature of intelligence, how brain plasticity changes everything we once knew about the brain, why the right nutrition is crucial for optimum brain function, the best lifestyle practices for increasing intelligence and improving performance, how to increase focus and concentration, how to train your body to train your mind, how to use the right kind of brain training to enhance your cognition, how nootropics work, who is taking them, and whether you should take part. Psychological tricks like CBT to help your brain work for you. The power of meditation. How to increase brain power by electrocuting it. Top things you need to stop doing to avoid damaging your brain, and much more. By the end, you'll have a far fuller understanding of your own brain and how to make the most of it. As a result, you can start to improve specific aspects of your brain, as well as its overall function. This will have a huge impact on pretty much every area of your life as you become more effective in social settings, less tired, more sympathetic towards others, and better able to manipulate their emotions and thoughts, more attuned to your own strengths and weaknesses, and more. Once you learn to upgrade your own brain power, you can trigger exceptional improvements in every area of your life. Are you ready for that change?